is here. Data provider is equal, sorry, make the object data provider and is equal to new data provider, and pass those three variables we have created here. So first one will be name, and second one will be mobile, and third one will be email. It is something wrong here. Name, mobile, comma email. It is wrong here. What is it is showing? Sorry guys, I think I forget to create the constructor into our data provider class. So let's go to back data provider.java and create here constructor. So by using the class name, so public data provider, and into this part pass here three objects, like first one is string while, sorry, string name, and the string mobile, and the third one is string email. Okay guys, and now we have to set this. So for that we will set like this dot name is equal to name, and second one is this dot mobile is equal to mobile, and third one is this dot email is equal to email. And now we have set this constructor, and now we need to go back where I have gone. Okay guys, and after that okay guys, and now we will call the list adapter object of the class. So call the list adapter and add this information into our data provider. So let's add and pass the object of data provider. Okay guys, now it is completed, and now we need to add data provider object into adapter. So go to your list adapter class. So let's go back in list adapter class. So it is here. Okay guys, and now here we need to add some override methods. So first we will add the add object method. So let's add now, override now. So add, it is here, public void add object, and in this here we need to first we need to create a list. So for creating the list we will initialize here. So initialize here list and make the object of list, and call the array list, sorry, it is list is equal to new and array list. Okay guys, and now we will pass here. Okay guys, and now we are going to add each data in list object, into the list object, into this add method. So let's pass now. So here we need to change here list, sorry, we need to change here, so it is same, it will be same. So add object, and here we need to add list dot add and pass the object, sorry, object, semicolon, and now we need to go back in our data once again. So go to data, and here we need to add. Okay guys, go back to here. I have already added, so I forget that, sorry for that. Now go back to again your list adapter. Okay guys, and after this method we need to override some more methods. So let's override now. So the next method we need to override the get count method. So let's override now. it is here public int get count, and here we will return and now we need to pass the number of item list. So here return the list dot size. So return, here we will return the list dot size, return list dot size. Okay guys, now it is completed, and now here we need to override another method for pass each of the object into current position. So override this method get item, override the get item method, get item. Then here we will pass the return list dot get position. So pass here now return list dot get and pass the position. It is also pass here. Okay guys, and after that, and now we have to create a now we will create a view. So before going to create a view, we need to create a static inner class. So let's create now static inner class. So back in your here, after constructor, here we will add for a static inner class, because now we will set our data in our text view. So like you create here static class, and I will give the name for layout handler, layout, and in this we need to have 3 text view for representing our table's name. So first one will be the let me initialize this. First one will be name, and the second one will be mobile, and the last final one is the email. Okay, now we will get back again. The final one method we need to override here, it is the get view. So get view, sorry, and get view, it is here first one. Okay, so initialize this, add this method. Okay, and now in this method, so in the final one get view method, that will return the each row of data. Okay guys, and here we need to create the object of view here. So first we will create the object of convert view object. So let's create me now view is equal to row, make the object of this, and is equal to convert view, semicolon, and here we will first check it is row is created. If not, we will create first. So for creating the row, we need to object of inner static class, so layout handler. So create that layout handler, it is our inner class, and make the object of this layout handler. Okay guys, and then we need to inflate the layout resource file. So inflate that. So layout, okay guys, so first here we will check the row is created or not. If it is not created, then we will create. So for that we need to here pass the if row is equal to null, okay guys, and now we will create the row. So for that, first of all I need to open here event. Okay guys, so for creating the row, we will initialize it with the row inflator. So did I create the inflator, layout inflator. So first of all we need to initialize the layout inflator. So for that for that initialize here. So initialize here like layout inflator. Layout inflator, where is layout inflator? It is here. Make of this layout inflator and is equal to layout typecast into layout inflator, and then call to context this, and then call the dot to get context. It is here. It is here, and then we need to pass the get system service dot to get system service. Where it is? Okay, right, and in this we need to pass first argument we need to pass here is context. It is capital context. Okay, right, and then we need to pass here dot in layout inflator service, and then the semicolon. Okay, right, sorry I forget to make this height. Okay, now it is okay. So watch okay, right, watch easily everything. I will scroll it now. Okay, now you have watched. Okay guys, and after this we will set our text into our newly created static inner class. So let's call that by call the object of this. So layout. Now we will set our text into text view. So for that we need to object of layout handler in a class. So by this layout, I will not layout handler. First we need to create the object of layout handler. Sorry, we need to get the instance of layout handler. So layout handler is equal to new layout handler. Okay, now instance is created. Something is wrong here. Sorry, by object of this we will call it. I call it. Okay, now it is okay and fine. Okay guys, and now we will set our text. So let's by the object of layout handler. So layout handler is equal to layout handler, the first one our variable is name. So call the name, and dot name is equal to typecast into text view, and then object of row, then find row by id method, and then pass the id of this r.id dot. So it is id will be text username. So where it is text username, it is come from the row layout. So let me show you. So go to your row layout. Here the text username. It is you are watching here. So go back in your, and like this we need to pass the another remaining two anothers. So copy paste, and let's change here mobile, and here id also need to change here user mobile, and let's change here email, and here also change here email. Okay, and after that we will get, and after that we need to one more thing, and now we need to set the row. So row dot set tag, and in this we need to pass layout handler object. So pass layout handler. Okay, and okay guys, and now we will use the else statement. For if row is already created, then we will not create row. So let's use the else statement here. If row is already created, then we will pass here then we will get the row. So like by the object of layout handler. Sorry, layout handler is equal to typecast into layout handler, and pass the row and dot get tag. Okay guys, and now here we need to object of also data provider for creating the object. So okay guys, and now we have to assign the each row of data. So we will get the each data from the getter method and on the data provider class. So let's do it now. So first of all, we will assign the data provider. So let's assign now. Initialize and create the object of this data provider. Data provider is, and make the object of data provider is equal to, and pass into data provider, and pass the context this dot get item position. The first one is our, sorry, in this we need to pass here position. Okay, guys, and after this, we need to pass our text. We will get our text from this data provide layout handler. We will set our text into set text method. Name, mobile and email in all this. So let's set our now text. So by the object of layout handler, so layout handler dot name dot set text, and pass the object of pass the data provider, and and pass the context this, and pass the dot get name. Sorry, this dot get name, it should be, let me check here if something is wrong. Data provider sorry, I forget here, it is not layout handler, it is data provider. Sorry, it is layout handler, not data provider, and it will not be out of this, it should be here. Okay guys, and now this I think fine. This dot get item, and pass here. Sorry, once again, let me do this. Guys, layout handler dot name dot set text, and then pass the data provider object data provider, and then call the dot get name method dot get name. Now we will pass your name into name. Now we have passed our name into name, and then copy this for others, same others, paste and sorry, it could not be paste, it is something wrong. It is not pasting. Let me copy again this, copy and paste. Now it is paste. Okay, name is done, name is mobile is done, and pass here mobile dot to get mobile. Okay guys, and now here also we need to change email, and pass here email. Okay guys, and after that our coding is finished, and let's return here row. Okay guys, now our coding is finished, and now we can test our app. So let's test it now. So okay guys, so before run the our app, I forget to add this method into our view button. So let's go back in our main activity.java. Sorry, here new contact activity.java. Yes, and now here add the data, and now here we will add one more method for viewing the data, for retrieving the data. So for that we need to create a new method. So let's create now. So public void and pass here view. Okay guys, something is wrong, it is showing any error. What is problem here? Is there any bracket? Let me do it again. Public void and create the method name like view contact and pass your view argument and in this and first one. So guys, something is okay guys. Now we was adding our adding our button to open the data, open our contact list. So let's we have added a method here, main activity. Go to main activity for adding the method for viewing our data. Guys, so here here we will add this method. So let me add again for showing you how to do that. So public void and give the any method name like so contact and pass your view argument. Okay guys, and in this we will call the data list activity class for showing our contact and data. So let's do it now. So create the object of intent and in this pass the data list activity class. So first we need to pass here get application context and then pass the class data list activity, class name data list activity and dot class. Okay guys, and after this we will start our activity. So call the method start activity and give the intent object. Okay guys, and now one more thing we need to do, and we need to go back in our list adapter class, and here I forget to add something. Here I forget to add row layout inflator. This line I forget to add, so please add this line. Okay, now guys, you will add this line. Okay guys, and after this one more mistake I made in our returning the query table. So go back in user db helper class, and here I did not give a space, so please give a space here. Okay guys, now everything is fine, and now we can test our app. So let's click here and select your emulator, and I have already selected, so I will install and continue. Click OK, and now let's wait a few moments. Okay guys, now our activity have launched. Sorry, now our app has launched. So now we can show our data. So first I will add some data. So let's add any name like any name like I will not add any name. I will add xyz, and mobile number is 123 and email address will be @gmail, and now save, and now add one more, and any name like www, and enter mobile number 876, and email will be any dot gmail dot com. Guys, now save this, guys, and now we will retrieve our information. So go back, it is hang, and now click view contact. Now it will show over a list view, and it will show over all information. It should be so let's click here. It is showing error. Let me check what happened again. Okay guys, I forget to add our button into activity, so let's add now. Go to your main activity, and here we forget to add this method into our button, so let's copy this and go to your main activity.xml file. It is here, and paste here in our onClick method, do our onClick method. So let's paste here. Okay guys, now our app will work definitely. Okay guys, now let's run again. Click here, install again, select your emulator. Okay, and install and continue. Click OK. Let's wait for a moment. So let me add once again any data. So I will add my geo, and mobile number is 70. Sorry, mobile number will be 17 95. I will not give my actual number, and enter email will be geo.com. let's save it. Okay, now it is saved, and now we will view this information. So let's click on view contact. Okay guys, now it is showing our database which we have saved in our. So okay guys, so first it's my name and my number, it is showing here, and this second one is anything. Okay guys, so now our data is showing in list view. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. Please like and subscribe my channel for getting the more videos. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoy this, and in my next upcoming video I will teach you how to update the data in Sqlite database, and I will also teach you how to delete the data in Sqlite database. So please go to my next video and learn more about Android Sqlite database. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel for getting the more videos.